Hi guys, my name is Vishwa Sofat, and I'm the president of the Stuyvesant Student Union.
Hi, my name is Julian Giordano, and I'm the vice president of the Stuyvesant Student Union.
DASU organizes events throughout the school year aiming to benefit the well-being and raise the school spirit of the student body. Caucuses host dances to allow students to socialize. We have educational events such as lecture series and career fairs to provide students with an opportunity to explore professions of their interest. We also have fun, peppy things such as homecoming rallies and spirit weeks. But one of the most important events in Stuyvesant that we run is the annual production of Sing.
One of the many roles of the Student Union is to manage the over 150 clubs at Stuyvesant. We've created an interactive website called stuyactivities.org that you can use to browse and join clubs online, as well as create your own. Another program that the Student Union runs is Stuyvantage, a program where we partner with local eateries and stores to provide you with amazing discounts. Regardless of whether you're interested in joining the Student Union, we will always be here to help, support, and advocate for you throughout your entire Stuyvesant experience, so that these 4 years are as smooth and memorable as possible. We hope to see you at Stuyvesant next year.
Hey, incoming class of 2024, my name's Alvin, and I'm a senior Big Sip, and I'm one of the co-presidents of our Stuyvesant Red Cross Club. It's a shame that you can't meet us in person this year, but don't worry, our student body is super capable of helping you transition into high school. So we are affiliated with the American Red Cross, and all service hours that you get with us will be transferred over to them. So what we do on weekends is volunteers from our club will go together all over the city to help other people, to help out at festivals, tutoring, and marathons. We're a totally flexible club, so you could go to as many or as little events as you want. Sometimes the event will even have free food and free shirts. Honestly, it's an easy way to make friends with other grades and ways for you to explore this city. At the end of the year, we have a celebration for all our volunteers. And with all that said, join Stuyvesant Red Cross.
Hi everyone, I'm Soraya. I'm a current junior here, and on behalf of the Black Students League and Hispanic Student Association, I'd like to give you an official welcome and congratulations on your acceptance. BS La Espera is a coalition of groups working to empower and promote Stuyvesant's Black and Hispanic students. We work alongside the Stuy Unity Initiative to promote inclusion here at Stuy, and have created a multitude of projects including our Black History Month dinner, group college tours, our Race Roundtables initiative, and last year a publication in the New York Times that we were all featured in. We're here to provide support to any student regardless of race and encourage all of you to drop by our meetings this year. We're so excited to have you, and we hope to see you around soon.
Hi, I'm Clara. I'm a junior at Stuy, and for the last 3 years, I've been the cast director for my grade Sing. So Sing is a really fun tradition that we have at Stuy. It's an annual semi-original musical theater competition that we have where there are 3 teams, the Sophrosh, which is freshmen and sophomores together, the juniors, and then the seniors. And each team has to write an hour-long original script for a musical that uses popular songs with new lyrics set to like a theme, and then there are different dance crews and backstage crews, and it's a really awesome school tradition that everyone really gets involved in. Someone who really loves theater, it's, I guess, like my favorite thing to do, and I'm also part of the Stuyvesant Theater Community, which is Stuy's student-run theater club, which puts on another 3 productions every year. Doing Sing every year has been a really awesome opportunity because it's, I guess, my chance to see the rest of the school really interested in theater, really interested in my favorite thing to do, and having that kind of solidarity with the other people in my grade, but also with the rest of the school, where for the month or 2 that we work on Sing, everyone is really invested in it and everyone is really interested in theater. I guess that makes me really happy to see that solidarity.
Hi, I'm Erin.
And I'm Talia.
And we're the editors-in-chief of the Stuyvesant Spectator.
The Spectator is Stuy's bi-weekly student-run newspaper, and we've been operating since 1915.
So we're completely independent, student-run, and student-funded. We pay for all of our free newspapers, and we have a staff of over 300 writers and editors.
We have 7 writing departments and 6 non-writing.
So our 7 writing departments are news, features, opinions, science, A&E, humor, and sports.
And our 6 non-writing are art, layout, web, business, photo, and copy. And for both of us, the Spectator has been such a wonderful institution to be a part of.
My name is Megan. I'm a junior at STY, and I'm also the president of one of the robotics teams here at STY. So there are actually 3, and we compete in 2 separate competitions. There's FTC and FRC. So I'm on an FTC team. We're smaller, closer-knit teams consisting of about 15 people, and we have a longer build season, and we build smaller robots with kinds of nuanced designs. There is also FRC, and they build bigger robots in a shorter amount of time. And they consist of over 100 members in 3 different departments: marketing, software engineering, and mechanical engineering. So robotics has a lot of different nuances to it, whether you're into business or electronics or software. There's really a place for you at robotics. And we'll be posting more information closer to the start of the school year on Facebook, and we'll hold interest meetings to answer any of your guys' questions.
Hi, I'm Christian Bay, and I'm the president of Stuyvesant's Speech and Debate team. Now, Speech and Debate is one of the largest organizations here at Sty, with over 200 active members every single year. Now, our speech team focuses more on performing pieces, and you can think of it a little bit like competitive acting. On the other hand, our debate team focuses more on research and argumentation. The different categories of debate offered here at Stuyvesant are public forum, congressional, Lincoln Douglas, policy, and parliamentary. Now, debate has been hands down one of my greatest experiences of my past 4 years at Stuyvesant. Now, academically, I've learned more through debate than I have at any of my other classes at Sty. Public speaking is a super important skill to have, and joining speech and debate has helped me immensely in that area. Now, through speech and debate, I've made incredible memories, and I've met some of my closest friends across the country. We travel from schools like Harvard and Yale to cities like Minneapolis and Atlanta. You can learn a lot more about our speech and debate team at our interest meetings in September. Thank you.
Why choose Key Club? Well, for me, volunteering through Key Club not only gave me the chance to give back to my community, but also allowed me to gain hands-on experience.
Key Club encouraged me to go beyond my comfort zone and develop leadership skills.
From fundraising with my club, I was able to help and raise money for those who needed it. I was able to have fun while organizing events with different clubs and businesses.
I met my second family, people that I can laugh with and have fun with while we volunteer at events and plan for the future of this club.
I've become a strong, sociable, and confident leader. I've met people from everywhere, and with that, I've created a family, a home.
Here are some of our favorite memories.
Hey kids, welcome to Sty. My name is Mr. Kokoris. I'm the head coach of the Stuyvesant math team. Congratulations on your acceptance, and we hope to see you in the fall. A few quick things about math team. Math team is at Stuyvesant not 1, not 2, but 6 dedicated classes, depending on experience and age of student. We have 2 freshman classes, 2 sophomore classes, a junior class, and a senior class. In addition to which, we have Wednesday and Friday after school sessions run by some of the coaches and the senior captains and junior assistant captains that work through AMC questions, contest questions, content. And in the classes, again, you'll be doing contests both state, city, and national. And you'll really get a chance to cover topics that go beyond the curriculum and tie a lot of curriculum topics together and fill a lot of gaps. It's also a wonderful community. Through the years, kids have risen through the ranks from freshmen to sophomores to juniors to senior captains, and it's a very good way to connect kids across different age groups and also into college. Many friendships have spanned many, many years. Some of our accolades, yes, we had 96 Amy qualifiers this past year, 96 Amy qualifiers, and we took a number of kids to Math Prize for Girls. Last year we had a IMO gold medalist. And so regardless of your experience, kids come in, learn a lot of stuff, have a lot of fun. So hope to see you on the math team. It's something to consider. And congratulations again. Bye.
One of the pillars of Arista is scholarship. Arista members are high achievers and strive to excel in school and in outside academic activities, which is why they represent the best of what the student body has to offer.
Another one of our pillars is leadership. For us Arista members, leadership is the art of motivating a group of people towards a common set of goals. For us, we want to benefit the Stuyvesant community and improve the lives of the people around us.
One of the 4 pillars of Arista is service. Our members provide service in 2 main ways: volunteering within their community and tutoring their peers. In these ways, our members enrich the environment they participate in, inspiring others to do the same.
Our last pillar is character. As Arista students, we hope to serve as great mentors, not just within our school community, but within the greater New York City community as well.
Stuyvesant and Arista offer many tutoring services that you can definitely use to your advantage. Some of these include the Writing Center, the CS Dojo, and AS sessions after school with teachers. Arista also organizes peer tutoring, study guides, and essay editing on the Arista website.
As mentioned, service is a very important part of Arista, and we strive to give back to our community through various events, such as volunteering at MoMA to helping out at soup kitchens.
We really do hope that you choose Stuyvesant, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We are very happy to respond with any questions that you might have. And until whenever we get to see you guys, please stay safe and stay inside.